everyone, today I will bring you to visit our production workshop, and here you can see it's our packing area. Then we will go forward to our production line. Please go with me. Hi, through the window you can see it's our production workshop, and in this workshop number 1, here has 4 production lines, and our daily capacity is 30,000 per day for 1 production line, and our total capacity for the whole factory is 300,000 pieces per day. Thank you.